Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlen, and on this channel, we discuss everything beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while. In today's video, as you saw in the thumbnail, we're doing my $5.95 haul. So if you would like to see the items I picked up from Bath and Body Works, while they had their one $5.95 sale, and they currently got another one going on right now today as I'm filming this, where they put additional items on sale for $5.95. So if you would like to see my thoughts and my recommendations on what I would consider picking up during this time, if you haven't already picked up what you wanted, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys. So before I even get started, give me a big thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you got the hype function, hype up the video, give your girl some love, and welcome to the Butterfly Beauty family. I need to do a shout out to my hubby. My hubby has been watching my videos, you guys. How sweet. And he says that he heard me talk about this numerous times already. So he decided to go ahead and pick it up because I wasn't going to pay full price for it, but he decided to gift me this. So I thought it was super sweet. So I'm going to share it with you guys. But it's this. It's this. Oh, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I'm like, it's so cute. And it does that iridescent look. And, you know, oh, it's so cute. So it's definitely giving the spring vibes. And you guys, the stuff is starting to bloom. Like in our area, the azaleas are in bloom. All the things are coming out. Even I went outside and did a little bit of videos because I do like to share with you guys my garden walkthroughs from time to time. So I did a little short mini video of some of the items that are growing in the yard. I'll put it up as a short. They're starting to bud out. All the bulbs are coming up. You know, the bridesmaids are putting on their bulbs. Everything's doing the things. The birds have been singing like crazy before sunlight even hits. They're like, and they're singing well into the morning. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful time of year, except for the pollen. the pollen. But going back to this, it's so good. And so let's see. What do we want to do? We want to put my fairy tale in here, so y'all can see how that looks. So this is how it's, because it has the little niches right here so that it can hold your candle. So some people maybe was wondering, how is it going to hold it? But that's how it holds it. So beautiful. All right. So let's put her back here, representing our springtime. And let's go ahead and put Life's a Fairy Tale in there. Why not? Why don't we? Yeah, we'll just sit that there for now. All right, so let's get to these items that I picked up during this sale, because I was able to get some of the items in store, but several of them I was waiting for them to come in the mail. So I already did a video on a few of the items. I just didn't show you how many of the items I picked up. I did that Tropics collection video from Bath and Body Works featuring the Viva Brazil, La Viva Brazil, and Dreaming of Rio. So what's the damage I did on these? So Viva Brazil, these were loves, you guys. Absolute loves. And I love me some tropical stuff. So we got 3 of these. And I may consider getting some more, especially since they got another sale going on. Because we know how Bath and Body Works do. You may see this and you may not see it ever again. At least for a hot minute. So if you love something, it's good to pick it up. This one is the one that has fresh guava, maracuja zest, which is passion fruit, and coconut water. So got this, 3 of those. You already knew I had it, but you didn't know how many I got. And then we got 3 of Dreaming of Rio, because this I love both of them. And this one has golden banana, gardenia petals, and sunlit cedarwood. So 3 each of those. And also I got 2 of the body butters of Dreaming of Rio. And then I did also get 2 of the body butters of the Viva Brazil. So what else did I get from this sale? Well, let's go ahead and stick with the tropical stuff, and then we'll go on to additional items I picked up from other stuff that's part of the line. So they also came back out with the Costa Rican pink pineapple sunrise. So I got another one of these in the body butter, because I already have one. I may have a couple of these already, but I went ahead and picked up another one because I know I'm going to be using that one a lot this summer. And I also got that in the moisturizing body wash. I love their moisturizing body washes, you guys. So like I said, this one, did I tell you the notes on the Costa Rican pink pineapple sunrise? This one has sweet pink pineapple, palm sugar, and sun-drenched nectar. This was the release last year that I love. I love the whole set of it. I think the only one I didn't really care for was that Thailand, sweet Thailand something. Kiwi and Thailand or something. I can't remember exact words for it, but that one. The one I absolutely loved out of the whole set was the Waikiki Beach Coconut. And if you are new to the channel, I fell in love with that body butter, and that was the one that I only got 1 of them. I had 1 and only got 1 backup, and I was hoping that they brought it back this year, because I said if they bring it back and they get it in the body butters, I'm getting multiples. And so when I saw it hit online, because they only got these online, said online exclusive, and then I double checked with my store, and they said no, they're not going to get them in the store unless they put them in other stores. My store is not going to get them. They came back and they brought it back in the body butter. So I got 3 of these. This is gorgeous. I love this. And not only did I get it in the body butter, but I got it also in the body washes. So this one has tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun-bleached woods. I'm already a coconut lover on here. I love the tropics. Give me all the tropical fruits. But the one that's on the top of all of those for me would be coconut, with mango being a close second, and passion fruit and guava being giving them a run for their money. But I love them all. And this scent, the balance of the woods with the coconut is gorgeous. And on my skin, it loves it. My skin loves that combination. It smells wonderful. So in the pink pineapple one, I got it in the body butter, and I got 1 of the moisturizing body washes. So that's the only one from that line. I didn't get the banana one. I forget the one that what is the passion fruit and banana one? I didn't get any of that one, because that one and the other one was my least favorite. And I may end up getting something out of that line. I'm still not sure, because like I said, they just dropped another $5.95 sale on like the body washes, because they only had the moisturizing body washes on sale because of it being moisturizing, and it was doing all the lotions and body butters and stuff like that during that sale. But this one is open up to the mist, the wash, the regular body washes, all the things. So if you were eyeballing some of those additional items, this would have been a good time to pick those up. But I highly recommend everything I'm sharing with you today. So let's get on to some of the other items that was not part of the Tropics collection, because that all those items was part of that Tropics collection. So the other things I picked up is they put Covered in Roses in the body butter, and I said whenever I did that video back in, was it end of January, 1st of February, that once these went on sale that I was going to get a couple of these because I love this scent profile in the rose. So went ahead and got 2 of these body butters, and I also got a moisturizing body wash in this one as well. So Covered in Roses, for those who don't know, has ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush amber. This is that Delina inspiration that Bath and Body Works did. So the only other items I picked up was during this particular sale was the Gingham Gorgeous moisturizing body wash, and this one has pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. And I picked up Butterfly moisturizing body wash. So this one it's been an all-time favorite. This one has raspberry nectar, iris petals, and airy vanilla. So you guys, that is everything I picked up during that particular $5.95 sale. Like I said, they currently got another one going on with all the things. Some of the stuff is online exclusive. And it said today only and online only, but then when I went to go look, you could do a BOPIS order because it was saying available in store. So it will let you do a BOPIS, is from what I'm gathering. I didn't do a full checkout yet. I'm still debating on whether I want to pull the trigger or not, but there's several things on there I would get the additional pieces of, like this Viva Brazil, Dreaming of Rio, this other Tropics collection that they had last year that they brought back this year. I would consider getting some of the other pieces in them that were not available during this other sale. So tell me what you guys picked up from the last sale. If not the last sale, are you looking at something you want to pick up this $5.95 sale? Let me know down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.